Hi guys, what's up? This is Aniket Anand and you're watching me on my YouTube channel, The Aniket.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
मेरा नाम है अनिकेत आनंद और हम रहते हैं पटना में. Yes, it's for me only. I'm a typical Bihari and I'm from Bihar. To be more precise, I belongs to Patna. It's the capital of Bihar. So I hope you know that place because obviously. So professionally, I have been doing makeup since 5 years. I am a makeup artist from the last 5 years of my life, and also I am studying. Like in between, I have been studying. Just now, I cleared my class 12th. Finally, fortunately, the results were positive and I got passed. तो आप किसी को जबरदस्ती नहीं कर सकते हो. तो द मोमेंट आई यूज टू गेट पीपल, जब लोग आई ट्राई टू इंटरैक्ट विद पीपल, आई ट्राई टू गेट विद पीपल, आई ट्राइड मेकिंग वीडियोज ऑन माई सिस्टर. डेफिनेटली यू मस्ट बी नोइंग. So the past few videos, like not few video, a lot of videos, she has been there. Like we both were so small, younger definitely. So we used to make videos, and YouTube was not a plan actually. I used to see a couple of videos, from YouTube when in 2014. Yeah, I have been doing YouTube, and still I am not that success. But yeah, this 166 subscriber, not even uploading video, I got 166 subscribers. That actually itself, having 166 subscribers even after not uploading videos in a consistent way, that itself is a big achievement for me. Definitely, क्योंकि my sister was a younger, like she was so young, and it was like वो easy नहीं था consistent way में किसी को video के लिए manipulate करना. Yeah, that was manipulate actually, because I have to pray a lot. But things apart, see, she always has supported me a lot. Like you can see, if you have seen, there was a lot of videos I made with my sister. Then my best friend Neha, yeah. So I told about this to her. She told about this to a friend of hers, and then I made a video with her. That actually was the very fun part of my life, and I really felt so professional doing that, because we went to shoot at my friend's place, and it was a very nice shoot actually. That actually made me feel so professional that time. Next, I did, definitely you have seen, on my best friend Neha. Lots of love. So after that, because there was my exams going on, there was my school going on, and due to all those societal norms, of course, I was not able to do this on myself. But being maturity is actually being yourself, being whatever you want to be, right? So पहले ये चीज होती थी, like I always have this in my mind to do makeup in myself, like doing things. I am not that very makeup person that who wears foundation every day, and no offense to any one of them, but I'm not into that. I do makeup on different people, like all those clients and those as a makeup artist. I do makeup on myself because definitely if you don't have someone to showcase your skills, you have to help yourself, and मैंने वही किया. So क्योंकि I'm not as I said, I'm not a person who wears a lot of makeup, क्योंकि I have some problem. I don't know what, I can't just hold that much of makeup whenever I go, but I love to do it for those people who wanted to know how it should be done. Like I want to help all those people who want to learn makeup but they cannot, as I was at the phase where I wanted to learn makeup from all those the classes and whatever it happens, but I personally don't find myself find that those things that pocket friendly, maybe I could say, because spending that much amount of money to learn makeup was not my scene. I tried YouTube. You won't believe. From the last 5 years, I have been watching videos, copying things, and only for only with that way I learned makeup. I'm still not saying or taking pride saying that I am the makeup expert, expert in being makeup. I'm not that, but whatever I try to do, I just wanted to be the best of it, because that's what my father have always told me कि बेटा तुम अगर 10 क्वेश्चन में से अगर आप 8 क्वेश्चन भी करते हो तो तुम सही कर रहे हो, 10 को गलत करने से अच्छा। तो दैट इज वाई मुझे मेकअप करना पसंद है। नॉट मुझे एक्चुअली, ये बहुत ज़्यादा फॉर्मल हो रहा है, तो आई वुड बी बिकॉज यू गाइज माई फोन्स। सो व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग कि हमको मेकअप करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है। हम बहुत 5 साल हो चुके गाइज, 5 साल, इट्स अ बिग time. It's easy for people to say it's been 5 years you have been doing, but you haven't achieved that much. But I have achieved 166 subscribers, and that's more than enough, and I definitely want a lot. So keeping all those societal judgments, like judgments on my moving hands, judgment on my long hair, but yeah, the story I want to share this to you. My father have always been, behind my hairs. Where I use every time when I used to have 1 inch or 1.5 inch of hair, so कहीं कहना है कि उसको कटवाओ, जल्दी कटवाओ, because 1 इंच से ज़्यादा बाल हम तुम्हारा नहीं रहने दे सकते। And I am a person who loves who loves wearing having long hair. So अभी इतने जल्दी लॉन्ग हेयर्स आ नहीं सकता था, और डेफिनेटली आई डोंट वांट टू वेस्ट माय टाइम टू ग्रो द लॉन्ग्स, चिपका लेते हैं एक बार, ये सब करने का टाइम नहीं था मेरे पास। सो आई जस्ट हैव दिस ऑन एंड रेडी टू स्ले द यूट्यूब। इफ you guys will support me, तो प्लीज मुझे सपोर्ट करिएगा और भर के लाइक कीजिए वीडियोस अगर आपको अच्छा लगा हो, और प्लीज 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 भाई और बहन सब्सक्राइब करो, क्योंकि दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट। नहीं तो कैसे देखोगे हमारे वीडियो? तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल। इफ यू ऑल्सो टू दोस पीपल सेइंग ना कि यू कैन डू मेकअप, तो मेकअप क्यों कर रहे हो? दिस इज नॉट लाइक योर सीन और समथिंग। आई एम सॉरी, बट जब हम मेकअप खरीद रहे थे उसने तो पूछा ही नहीं, या फिर उसने बताया ही नहीं ये किसी पर्टिकुलर जेंडर की ओर बायस्ड है, तुम्हारी पर्टिकुलर बायस्ड मिसोजिनी की तरह। सो स्टॉप बीइंग विंडिक्टिव एंड सपोर्ट एवरीवन आउट देयर हु इज शोइंग their skills using YouTube, because it's a very nice platform. Also do if you want to contact for a makeup appointment in Patna, Bihar, just let me know. I am putting all my Instagram or personal details in the description. Do check this out. Also follow me on Instagram, because let's make friends. Come on. So yeah, do follow me on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. Definitely subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Till then, bye bye.